Uh, this is a quick demonstration for recording recording audio while recording the audio of a subject that's located really far away from the camera. To do that, I'm using this my cell phone and a audio sound recording app. And so I start the app, and then I wrap my cell phone inside of a sock to block. It's kind of windy today, so I did that to kind of hopefully block keep the wind from creating noise in the recording. I haven't tried it before, so I hope it works. And I'm just gonna kind of set this off somewhere out of view, like that. And so in a video editing app, you're gonna have to line up the sound perfectly with the video. So to do that, you create, what I like to do is I like to just like clap and make sure the clap is visible. So that creates a very localized and sharp sound and time, which you can easily use to line up to create like this spike in this sharp spike in the audio's waveform, which you can then use to line it up with the exact moment that your hands come together. And that's at least the method I use to line up my audio. And that's pretty much it. I don't know, I didn't explain it, I didn't go into too much detail, but you should be able to figure out the rest. Yeah. To show you, I don't know how far away the camera is. To tell you it's pretty far away, I don't think is sufficient enough. I don't think there's enough visual cues right now for you to kind of be able to figure that out. So maybe this will help. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to tell how far away the camera is by doing this. So here's my hand. I have it right next to my face. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend my hand all the way towards the camera. Now I'm gonna move it all the way back. There shouldn't be if I were close to the camera, you would notice that you would see my hand changing in size a lot. Like if you were to put your hand in front of your face and then bring it close to your eyes, you can see how it gets really big and really small. It gets really big as you put it to your face, and it gets really small as you extend it away. You can see how that's not happening. You should be seeing that. It's not really changing much in size at all. It shouldn't be. Here, let me try to so I have this giant board, and I'm gonna swing it. Yeah, see? I don't know. You should kind of I don't know. Does that help? Yeah. So the point of that is to show you that I'm too far away from the camera for you to hear anything, or for the camera to record anything that would be of any good enough quality for your. I don't think the camera should even be able to hear any of this at all, especially with the wind. So, this is like I think this would be like a simple solution to that problem.